Awesome. Thank you. Have a nice day. I've got the first of the two purrrrrrr-lins installed. This larger log that I was originally going to use as the bottom of the start of the gable that's going to extend up, I decided it would look nicer as a ridge beam because it's so large. This other purrrrrr-lin is sitting here. I didn't get time to install it today. I'll come back tomorrow and do that. And I'll just carry on bringing the peak up to the center. It's going to have a fairly shallow peak. That way, when you come over here, if it was a very aggressive peak and I had my 2-foot overhang, that 2-foot overhang might actually come down here and cover up the view from the windows. So what I'm going to do is give it a shallow peak, and that should allow me to keep my 2-foot overhangs without obscuring the view from the windows. So that was today on building cabins with Wabachuk. Hope you enjoyed it. Yep. It's a great little saw, by the way. The MS-170. It's a lot lighter than my other saw, so it allows me to really work the notches and any kind of difficult angles. It doesn't kick back as much as well either because the tip of the bar is not as aggressive. It's not as large. I don't know what the term is, so I'm just going to walk away from that issue for now. But I really like this saw for doing all the small work. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.